Ever wondered how your brain really works? Today, I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of the mammalian brain and how you can use visual communication to connect with its inner workings. Picture your brain like a three-layer cake. The oldest layer, the reptilian brain, controls basic survival instincts. Next comes the limbic system, or the mammalian brain, which handles emotions and memory. Finally, the neocortex on top, responsible for higher-level thinking. Today I'm focusing on the middle layer, the mammalian brain. This is where we experience emotions like joy, fear, and love. It's also where we form memories and create connections with others. So, how can we use visuals to speak directly to this emotional and memory-driven part of our brains? Let's dive in. First up, color. Colors can evoke powerful emotions. Think about how red can signal excitement or danger, while blue can convey calmness and trust. Next, shapes and symbols. Shapes and symbols carry universal meanings. A circle can represent wholeness and unity, while a triangle can suggest stability and strength. Then, there's body language and facial expressions. Our bodies and faces speak volumes without words. A smile can convey warmth and openness, while a frown can signal disapproval or sadness. And finally, storytelling and visual narratives. Stories have a powerful impact on our emotions and memories. Visual narratives can transport us to different worlds and create lasting impressions. By understanding how the mammalian brain works and using visual communication effectively, you can create content that resonates on a deeper level, builds stronger connections, and leaves a lasting impact. So go forth and unlock the power of your visual communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on content creation.